Friends, here we are going to discuss three important string operations. They are like join, center, and zero fill, right? So how they are going to work? Let me show you that by taking my Python shell. Of course, you can also write in your Python script, but I'm taking simply Python command line. Let's say I have a string called Python, right? See, my requirement is from this X, I mean from this Python word, I want to create a Python word by placing between each two letters, two characters, a space. I mean, I want to create a wide data such that it has to be in this way. But I want to create that from your X itself. Simply Y equals to quotations and inside that just hyphen dot join then your X. So just join space inside of your X between your characters. Simply print Y, right? Otherwise directly you can print. See, as of now I'm printing X in this way. Now print, you can also do something like, suppose I'm adding stars between two characters in my given X. See the output? Or I want to print one by one letter, then add slash n. You know slash n means new line. See that? You're getting your string in multiple lines. In each line, one character because slash n purposes. Otherwise, let me add slash t. See the output? You're adding tab between two characters of your given string, right? So this is the importance of your join string, right? Fine. Then the next one is center. See guys, sometimes you have some multiple strings and you want to print all strings in the center of your terminal or in the center of some width of your terminal. Let's say I have a my string called simply Python and I have one more new string called Python scripting, and let me take some third string. My string 3 equals to string operations. Okay, now see that I am going to print, first of all let me take only my string dot center. So all strings I want to print with the width of suppose some 20 characters. Now first of all let me print my first string. So in 20 spaces your string is there in the middle of that. Likewise I want to print, let me use format, all strings at a time I am going to print, right? So in the next line I want to print your my new string dot center 20. See the output so that you can understand what is the purpose of this center. Then I want to print your uh, next variable called my string 3 dot center 20 and see the output. Something missing, let me see that. Yeah, quotations is missing, right? See the output. Oh man, C and T are, yeah, somewhere spelling mistake. See, nothing is there guys. Whatever the length you are giving, first your Python will take that much length. In that length it will try to print your string from middle towards left and right. That's it. Okay, now z fill, zero add, zero fill. Let me do one more thing, like uh, print. Let me take simply your string. I am printing, you are getting something, no? But I want to print this string, okay, with some 10 spaces. And anyway your Python string consists of only 6 characters. The remaining 4 places I want to pad with 0 towards left. See that? Total spaces are 10, right? So your given string length is 6. Remaining 4 spaces towards left I want to pad with zeros. So padding. This operation is called actually padding, right? This operation is called actually a padding. Okay, so guys, these are the operations usage of your join, center and jet fill, right? Okay guys, thank you for watching this video.